Okay, look at this machine working is very well, and the most important is that there is no air. Look, there's no air